What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. I want to wish you all a great start of the week. For crypto, it hasn't been that great of a start. So in this video, what we'll be doing is we're taking a look at Bitcoin, what's going on, what happened, and what's most likely to happen next. If you're new to this channel, this is what I do daily. So I update Bitcoin and Ethereum daily. So this move was also expected. We talked about it quite a lot in the last couple of videos, last couple of days. But yeah, so let's get into it. And I think I'm calling this video a crash update because I do really see this as some sort of a crash. Obviously, we can debate about that, but it doesn't matter that much, right? Because we've dropped down by 9% for Bitcoin. That's quite a lot. And apart from that, one of the things to always look at as well is the top 100. Only 4 tokens, including 2 stable coins, so only 2 real cryptos are bullish, and the rest is down. With like Ethereum Classic going down 20%, Curve 15%. So yeah, bad day for crypto, and it's actually worse than I expected. That's what we're going into right now. Usually I also go over some of the news, but there isn't really any news around Bitcoin for now. In 2 days, Wednesday, we will have new interest rate decisions from the Federal Reserve. So yesterday we already said that we would probably consolidate and then ahead of those interest rate decisions drop down a little bit more. I think it's just the market pricing in those movements, and to be honest, what I expect right now is that we'll drop down until that interest rate decision, and then when it actually happens, we'll like bounce up again. But we'll see about that. For now though, let's get into the analysis. We are in quite a tough situation, to be honest, because I thought that 19,000 and 18,700 would hold as a support level. It is quite a strong support level, but it doesn't seem to be holding because we only have like we only have 30 minutes to get above 18,700. And right now we're still at 18,400. When you're watching this video, the candle is probably already closed, so you know more than me. To me, there are basically 2 things that can happen. We can either still close above 18,700, after which we will probably stay at 19,000 and kind of between 20,000 and 19,000 until Wednesday. And then the interest rate decision will be there, so I'll make another update on that. But it seems to be far more likely that we will not be able to break above 18,700 again, and that we're going to break below that. And in all honesty, the last year that has only happened once. That was right here, middle of June, broke down below that, took a break retest off of that level and dropped down. So I think that's going to happen again. It's a very strong level around 19,000. A bearish breakout means a lot. So if we break down below that level, we're probably taking a break retest off of that whole 18,700, 19,000 level. And we're dropping down to this level right here, between 17,000 and 17,600. And right now, I assume that we're going to hold that. Because we have already had quite a big drop, and dropping all the way down to 17,000 would be a 15% loss, which is huge in a bear market. So yeah, it's probably going to be that. We're probably going to drop down to those levels, and from there we'll see again. It's very unpredictable right now. I wish I could say more. I think we're going to find support there. And I think eventually, I mean, we might drop down to 16,000, but I don't see us dropping lower than 16,000. I think from here we could actually either start a consolidation or get back up again to that 20,000, 20,500 level again. But it's still very, very hard to say right now. So I will be back with new updates tomorrow, but for now that's my analysis on Bitcoin. So if you do have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.